Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to see the new question number 2 in RBAC role-based access control, that is in namespace there. Create a service account dev user, a role pod manager with permissions to get, list, watch pods and access pods log and pods exec sub-resources. Create a role binding named dev user binding. Basically they are asking to create one namespace. So let me first clear this and do create a namespace which is dev, and inside this we have to create a service account called dev user. So if you have seen my video on question 1, how to create a service account and what is service account, please get back to that. So I can use this way, and you can just create a service account in a namespace of dev. So I should be using like a name of dev user, right? So after creating a service account, I will be creating a role. Again, you can go to create role, or here actually they're asking to create a role which is not only for the pods, but we have to create the role for sub resources, naming pods slash log pods slash exec sub resources. So in order to do that, YAML is the best way to create the role. So if you go to an example here, this is a simple role YAML file. Here I actually, this is only for the pods, and I'll do for pods slash logs. Generally logs are only for watching it or getting it. So I can do a get access for logs, and similarly exec into the logs is like creating a new shell, right? So I will do pod slash uh, exec, and so this is another sub resource which needs like create. Okay, so this way we can create. You also have question number 2 here, how to create a role. So this way I'll create, and the next step is binding this service account with the role. So you can just apply this role and create a role binding. Always you can use help for creating a role binding. Since this is a role binding this way, copy this, and we know that the namespace is dev, service account name is dev user, and okay, so the role name which we have created is pod reader, and the role binding which we are trying to create, is there any role binding name? Okay, dev user role binding. So you can just create like this. So let's start on creation. I'll just clear the screen and let me create a namespace first. So we can create a namespace, and then we'll create a service account in that namespace as we have discussed, and So it is telling that create service account. uh, okay, so the command is this, and then we'll create a YAML file for a role, vi my role dot YAML. Just insert, paste, escape, and save it. This is for both the resources and sub resources of the pods. I'll just do an apply if of my role. So my role, this is created, and I'll create a role binding which binds this role to the service account. So this role binding is also created. Now, in order to test this, you can always do auth can I. So if you're not sure about this command, just remember k auth can I and do a help. And you can do like can I create pods, let's say this thing, and in a namespace of dev, it's like yes. And can I delete pods? Yes. Can I watch? Yes. Basically, it's giving me a get watch list. It's not giving that great, right? Can I watch hyphen hyphen help? I just want a more deeper uh, command. So I'll just copy this. So system service account dev, until here it's fine, but instead of foo, remove it and place it like dev user in the namespace of dev. So just paste it here. So now it says list I can't do because list pods I can't do, is it? As a dev user service account in the dev. Okay. Mm, can I create? No. I'll just do get role in namespace of dev. No resource found, is it? Okay. Okay. So we have created a role and role binding for in a default namespace actually. Mhm. Let me just delete this and also role binding. And if you see get service account in a namespace of dev, it exists. So here only I want to create a role and role binding. So if I do vi of my role YAML here under the namespace, just edit it to there, save it, and apply this is created. And similarly, here you need to put a namespace of dev. Okay, so it is created. Now I will try. Previously it was giving no because it doesn't see any role or role binding in namespace there. Now if I try, I get yes. So this way you can verify. Because I have verified, I got to know the issue that it is not created in the namespace. Create pods is not allowed, but if I use pods slash exec, okay, so pods slash exec, can I create pod slash exec? This is what I used to. Can I as system service? No. It still says that under the pods exec. Let me verify my role YAML. If I see here, I get create and stores logs and get yes and watch yes get yes. So we have tested for watch get list on pods. We have tested for watch sorry get on pods logs. We'll see for watch on get logs. Yes, but if I use create on get logs, I should get as no. Yes, so we are good until here. Now we will go for pods exec create. It says as no. So what I am assuming here is whatever the my resources are having uh, access, only that I can give to my sub resources. Okay, so let's say for a logs, I didn't. I have applied only get and watch. I didn't apply the list, but still, I get as yes for pod slash logs. So what I'm assuming here, actually, if I check for any sub resource and that particular access, I should be getting yes. But here, when I'm verifying, I'm not getting that as yes. I'm getting it as no. In a coming video, we will see how to debug this. And for now, we have checked how to create for sub resources as well, the roles, and how to apply the role bindings to those. So yes, thank you so much. And coming video, we will see on verification part. And yes, bye bye.